Good day. It's a pleasure for me to take part in this international conference as virtual presenter. My name is Agnes Nubisi. I'm a PhD student at the Health and Society Institute of the University of Quebec at Montreal in Canada. I would like to present my current research, which focuses on the link between aging, spirituality, and health in an ethnocultural diversity and secularity context. As in most Western countries, in Canada, technical progress and technological advances have generated the increase of life expectancy and longevity. However, this longevity is not always healthy due to chronic diseases that are facing the limits of conventional medicine. The elderly use social and health services to cope with their ailments, but also looking at other alternatives, among other spirituality. However, the spiritual aspect of their social experiences of aging is widely unknown due to a biomedical discourse where healing is mostly the result of therapeutic activity. Several writings note that there is a link between spirituality, aging, and health. For example, the theory of gerotranscendence developed by Thorstam argues that older people develop a fondness for spirituality as they age. Yet, many empirical studies in various fields of health conclude that spirituality positively affects physical and mental health as well as well-being of people. In Quebec, which is the context of our study, the growth of the aged population is one of the fastest in the world. Since July 2015, people aged 65 and more have seen their numbers exceed those of youth aged 14 and more. Furthermore, Quebec stands out for the multi-ethnic and multi-religious character of its population. Recent investigations mention that in multi-ethnic context, spirituality could have a more significant symbolic and could influence the conception of health, psychological care, and social life for seniors of ethnocultural community. In light of these findings, my research question is, what sense do immigrant seniors give to spirituality and what link do they make with health? To answer this question, I've chosen to examine spirituality from a perspective that encompasses both the secularity context, cultural and religious diversity with the seniors' point of view. Specific objectives that I would like to reach are to know the sense that seniors of ethnocultural communities give to spirituality, to explore the relationship that seniors of ethnocultural communities make between spirituality and health, and to compare the views expressed by the different ethnic groups surveyed. For this, I have adopted a qualitative approach. I'm doing my structured focus group with people aged 65 and more from various cultural groups residing in Quebec. I'm using an interview guide with themes. Seniors are recruited based on waves of immigration, and the groups are formed so as to have different characteristics in terms of age, date of arrival in Quebec, socioeconomic status, sex, etc. To analyze the data, I've opted for an inductive approach. First, I will make a vertical analysis of the interviews, and secondly, a cross-sectional analysis. Research on spirituality and health is an innovative field, and especially in Quebec, where few studies have addressed the issue. This relevant and innovative research will permit to better know the realities of seniors from different ethnocultural communities. It also has the merit of making the voice of seniors heard. It gives them the opportunity to speak themselves of their needs and the services provided to them. Scientifically, the dissemination of the result could have a real impact in the practice of intervention, which is dominated by biomedical approach. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to sharing with you in a month to come the result of my research.